Hey everyone, Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures, and today we got a special video for you. Today I decided I wanted to do a mini review of my very own personal TROXUS Explorer and talk about why this is my bike, why I chose this bike to be my personal e-bike. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, of all the e-bikes that I have done reviews on, this one is my absolute favorite. So I'm not going to be doing a full review of my personal bike, but I wanted to talk about some of the features that I absolutely love about this bike and why I chose it as my personal favorite e-bike. So first of all, when you see the color, this bright red is absolutely stunning. That is one of the features that I really liked about the bike. It's a beautiful color. And it's easy to see, well, it's a little easier to see for drivers who are out on the road. So I'm not really blending in with my surroundings. But also, one of the things that I absolutely love about riding e-bikes is the freedom that it gives me to ride. It is the freedom and the fact that this e-bike is one of the colors in the American flag is something very symbolic and meaningful to me. So this is one of my favorite features on my TROXUS Explorer. These are 4-inch all-terrain Kenda tires. I absolutely love these knobby tires because I can literally take it on any terrain. I have gone off-roading with this bike. I have gone through the woods on trails. I have driven through parts of like construction sites. I don't go driving through construction sites, but sometimes you have to drive through like this little area where they have set off for pedestrians and bicyclists to get through. Or I have ridden this through the woods and over the mountain to grandma's house. Not quite, but I have taken this e-bike on quite a lot of adventures, and I've had this thing for, I don't even know. I don't think it's been a year yet. I'm gonna say I've had it for at least 6 months, maybe more than that. And it's still in really good condition, except for a few minor scratches and bruises, which, you know, you gotta have a couple of scars, otherwise, are you really living? So another thing that I like about my TROXUS Explorer is it has the hydraulic brakes and it has a 750 watt motor. So that's a powerful motor. I can get places with confidence. It also has a 48 volt, 20 amp hour battery sitting here under the down tube. And it charges pretty quickly so that I can keep on going on those adventures. So another feature that I like about my TROXUS Explorer is it is a step through, so it makes it easier for me to mount and dismount the bike. But I think my absolute favorite feature about my TROXUS Explorer is the speed. Being able to go as fast as I want, that is humanly possible on an e-bike. 30 miles per hour, but that is just pedaling. So let me do a quick speed test for you. I'm in pedal assist 1 and I'm pedaling at 10 miles per hour. Now going up to pedal assist 2, it bumps up to about, let's see, 15 miles per hour. And then pedal assist 3, I am getting up to about 18 miles per hour, 19 miles per hour. Pedal assist 4, I am getting the bike up to about 22, 23 miles per hour. And then pedal assist 5. Now pedal assist 5, I have to pedal a little bit and put some effort into it, but I can get my bike up to 30 miles per hour. Miles per hour. That is by far one of the fastest e-bikes that we have in our garage. And that is the key reason why this is my absolute favorite bike. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video about me talking about my favorite personal e-bike that I ride. I don't ride it very often just because we always get new e-bikes that we have to review. But this is my favorite e-bike of all the ones that we have had in our garage, of all the ones that I've had the privilege of riding on and testing out. I absolutely love my TROXUS Explorer. So give me a big ol' thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. See you guys later.